To create a landing page, you need 3 things: something to give away for free, a headline that sells it, and a form to collect emails. It takes about 30 minutes to make, no design or coding required. I'll show you how to create a landing page for free using Wix Harmony, the sponsor of today's video. We're creating a landing page for beginners, but don't worry, beginner friendly doesn't mean that we're sacrificing results. We're creating a high converting landing page that'll grow your email list. Let's quickly cover what is a landing page so you build yours the right way. Landing page versus website. A website has a homepage, an about page, a blog, and product or service pages. Lots to look at and not much direction. People wander, get distracted, and leave. A landing page is a single web page with one goal, usually for collecting emails. It has no navigation menu and no extra links. Just one decision for visitors: sign up or leave. That focus is what makes it work. A landing page is more effective at getting email signups than sending someone to a page on your website. You offer something for free: a guide, a checklist, a template, in exchange for an email address. This is lead generation. Trade something useful for an email and grow your email list one sign up at a time. That free thing is what people call a lead magnet or a freebie. Once they're on your email list, that's where you make money. You can invite them to book a call, set up an automated email sequence that builds trust, or just add them to your newsletter so whenever they're ready to make a purchase, they'll buy from you. The landing page is where the relationship starts. Before you build anything, get clear on 2 things. Who do you help and what do you sell? Then what can you give away for free to get them in the door? Say you're a physical therapist. You help people move better and sell one-on-one sessions. Someone with shoulder pain finds your content. They're interested but not ready to make a purchase. You can give them something for free that helps them with their exact problem, like 5 exercises to ease shoulder pain. This freebie gets them on your list. From there, email walks them towards booking. The freebie just has to do 2 things: attract the right people and give them a quick win. It can be a checklist, a guide, a mini course, a free evaluation, anything that's genuinely useful. Think free samples at a grocery store. You hand someone a small taste and some of them buy the whole thing. The shorter the page, the better it converts. No menu, no links. If you're not sure what to give away yet, we've got a prompt that helps you decide on the freebie that fits your business, plus it writes the landing page copy. It's linked in the description below. Here's how to create a landing page using Wix Harmony, Wix's AI builder. You'll be surprised how easy this is. If you already have a Wix site, open the page and skip the next step. If you don't have a website with Wix, create an account, then choose Chat with AI. From there, you'll be asked some questions. You describe your business, it'll generate a draft of your website. We have a video showing the entire process of creating a website and how to customize it, linked below. Once you find yourself here, you'll see Aria, Wix Harmony's AI agent, along the right-hand side. Tell her that you want to create a landing page. Type in what you want your landing page to be about, or paste in the copy and information generated from our AI prompt. If you also ran the prompt, you got a headline and subheadline, so just drop those in the chat with Aria. Aria then builds your landing page template in about a minute. The first thing I'll do is hide the header. Click on the header, click on the 3 dots along the left that say More Actions, then select Hide Header. The header normally shows on all pages of your website, but on a landing page, you don't want to give the visitor any options besides signing up to receive the lead magnet. Their only options should be sign up, close the tab, or hit back. What you can see on screen now is called the Hero section. It's what visitors can see when they land on your page before scrolling. This section is basically all we need for a simple high converting landing page. You need a headline that captures the visitor's attention and explains the benefits of the freebie, specifically, not vaguely. A subheadline that adds additional context, an image that shows the results or the thing that they're getting, and a form where people give you their email. The headline is a little larger than I'd like, so let's make the text smaller. I'll just adjust the font size up above. Something like that looks better. Now let's swap out this image for one related to the prompt that we're giving away. Our prompt will help you generate an image like this to use on your landing page. To swap out the image, click the image, click Replace Image, Upload Media, then click Add to Page in the bottom right-hand corner. I'll then change the image dimension slightly by dragging the edges. Here's the space for the form. Double-click on it to open the form builder. From there, add your fields. I'll add first name and email to the form. This is usually all you need. Simple gets more signups, but if you're getting too many leads who aren't a good fit, ask more information to help qualify those leads. Business size, budget, whatever tells you that they're more likely to buy. Entrepreneur Alex Hormozi gives away a free scaling roadmap, and his landing page asks for name, email, phone, shipping address, how many employees, if any, annual revenue estimate, and how much of the company you own. That's a lot, but he's drowning in leads and needs to qualify them. When you're starting out, you want more leads, not less. Next, I'll update the button to say Get the Prompt instead of the generic Submit. To do that, double-click on the button, then update the text. A specific call to action gets more clicks than a generic one. Then go over to the Settings tab. Give the form a name so you know which form is which when you start to have different landing pages giving away different lead magnets. You'll want to know where your signups are coming from. I'll call this one lead magnet and landing page prompt. You can then choose the confirmation message or action. You can have a message show up on screen like this, or upon submission, you can take the visitor to a thank you page that you built. For now, I'll just leave it as is. Once you start to get signups, you'll see the submissions here. If you're done editing the form, click Save, then close the tab. If you scroll down, there's also a footer with an email and links to social media. Like the header, I don't want anything to distract someone from signing up for the freebie. So I'm going to hide the footer too. Click on the footer, then click the 3 dots, then click Hide Footer. In most cases, all a landing page needs is a bold headline, a subheadline, an image, a form, and the submit button. That's the basic layout Alex Hormozi swears by, and it works. That's the full landing page for most people. If you're running ads or your audience doesn't know you yet, you can add more. Testimonials, a short FAQ, a breakdown of what's included. Just tell Aria which sections you want and she builds them. When you need a landing page for your next freebie, don't start over. Ask Aria to duplicate this page and then update it, explaining your new lead magnet. You don't just want a landing page, you want a high converting landing page that actually convinces people to sign up. There's no point to driving a bunch of people to a page that does a bad job. So here are landing page best practices that move the needle the most, straight from people who study this for a living. 1 page, 1 offer. This is the big one. No menu, no social links, no check out my other stuff. The only thing to do is sign up for the freebie. Every extra link is just a way for someone to leave. According to Lead Pages, removing navigation can lift conversions 20 to 100%. Match the page to where the person came from. If your YouTube video is about shoulder pain, the landing page you're sending someone to should be about shoulder pain, not a total body makeover. The closer your freebie matches the exact problem someone has, more of them will sign up. Make the benefit clear in the headline. Your headline does most of the work, so don't waste it. Say exactly what they get and how it helps them. Your headline influences around 80% of whether visitors stay or leave. Talk about benefits, not features. This is a small shift that makes a big difference. Don't tell them what the freebie is. Tell them what they get out of it. A mobility PDF is simply describing the document. 5 exercises that ease your shoulder pain, outline the benefits. Everyone landing on your page is quietly asking the same thing. What's in it for me? Answer that. Make the call to action specific. Don't leave it as submit. Tell them exactly what happens when they click. Ours says send the prompt. A specific call to action beats a generic one every time. Keep the form short. Ask for as little as you need, usually just first name and email. The more fields you add, fewer people sign up. Every extra form field lowers your conversion rate. Win the first impression. Everything that matters should be visible before anyone scrolls. The headline, what they get, and the form all on screen at once. That top part, the hero section, is also called above the fold. And keep it fast. Don't drop in some giant heavy image that takes a few seconds to load because people won't wait. According to Unbounce, 70% of consumers say load time affects whether they buy. Build for mobile. Most people are viewing your landing page on mobile, so check it on your phone before you publish. Wix builds mobile-friendly by default, so this page will be formatted for mobile, but the mobile version shouldn't be an afterthought. Spend some time reviewing the mobile version. Over 80% of landing page visits happen on mobile, according to Unbounce. Add proof, a testimonial or two, a quick number, a recognizable logo. It builds trust when somebody doesn't know you yet. But I recommend testing your landing page with and without. Sometimes simpler and shorter wins. If you're giving something away really useful for free, you may not need this. According to SEMrush, nearly 98% of people read reviews. 50% trust them like a personal recommendation. Track it, then test one thing at a time. Set up Google Analytics so you can see how many people visit and what your conversion rate looks like. Then change one thing like the headline or the button color and see if it performs better. Keep what works. Now that the page is done, it's time to publish your landing page. The button's at the top of any page within the Wix editor, and you can publish for free. The Wix free plan comes with a Wix subdomain and includes Wix ads. If you want credibility and a professional light, pay for a plan and connect your own domain. You can also get a domain for free for the first year with Wix if you upgrade to one of their annual paid tiers. I've got a full video on which plan is the best fit for your business linked below. Once your landing page is live, add the link anywhere people are already interacting with the topic your freebie covers. That could be your YouTube video descriptions, blog post, website, Instagram bio, or other relevant content. Whenever you talk about the problem your freebie solves, direct people to your landing page. Last step, and it's something most people skip. Track your landing page's performance. Review Wix's built-in analytics. I'd also set up Google Analytics. One note, Google Analytics only works on a paid Wix plan with a connected domain. You can't connect it on a free tier. If you're on the free plan, stick with Wix's built-in analytics. You want to see how many people sign up compared to how many people visit the page. That ratio is your conversion rate. I'll link a Google Analytics setup guide below. Once you know the conversion rate, you can work to improve it. Swap headlines, change the button, test something different. When something improves conversions, keep it. That's how to create a landing page with Wix Harmony. Choose your lead magnet, build the page in Harmony using Aria, hide the header, add a name and email form, write a benefit-led headline, and publish. If you're ready, you can start with Wix for free using the link below. And once people start signing up for your freebie, you'll want to know what to do with all those emails. So watch this video next, our email marketing guide for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.